Is it time to buy or sell Greenlane Holdings Class A stock? In this video, we will explore Greenlane Holdings Class A. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 6th of February 2025, our system has ranked Greenlane Holdings Class A as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.88. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock witnessed a decline of 98.99%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.83% since it was identified as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently rests within the center of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 86.35% over the next 3 months, with possible outcomes ranging from a complete loss to a gain of 101.24%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis reveals an anticipated change of -35.84%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance might fluctuate from a total loss to an increase of 51,669.43% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would imply a future price ranging from $0 to $7.77. Our latest daily update for Greenlane Holdings Class A includes the headline: Significant fluctuations in Greenlane Holdings Inc. Class A stock price on Thursday, moving 63.77% between high and low. The Greenlane Holdings Inc. Class A stock price experienced a decline of 93.89% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, dropping from 24.6 cents to 1.5 cents. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 63.77%, ranging from a low of 13.8 cents to a high of 22.6 cents. There has been notable volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 94.68% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 359 million shares. Although this was accompanied by falling prices, this may signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 359 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $5,380,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $21.80, while the lowest price was 13.8 cents. Currently, the price stands at 99.93% or $21.79 below the 52-week high, and 100% or $49,257.99 below the all-time high on the 22nd of April, 2019, when the price reached $49,258. Greenlane Holdings, trading under the symbol GNLN, has made significant leadership strides with the recent appointment of Craig Snyder as Chief Executive Officer. His extensive background in business transformation and strategic growth positions GNLN favorably as the company navigates an evolving market landscape. This leadership change could instill investor confidence in the company's direction, potentially boosting the stock price in the short term. In addition, the cannabis sector faces potential volatility due to new tariffs on essential materials such as hydroponic systems and lighting gear. These increased costs may pressure profit margins across the industry. This environment creates uncertainty, which can lead to fluctuating stock performance, particularly for companies like GNLN that depend on these inputs. Furthermore, Greenlane's recent collaboration with Volvo to enhance electric vehicle charging infrastructure showcases its commitment to innovation, potentially enhancing its market appeal and opening up new revenue streams. This strategic partnership could positively influence GNLN's stock price by attracting environmentally conscious investors interested in the intersection of cannabis and sustainable technologies. Amid these developments, Greenlane's ongoing efforts to streamline procurement by partnering with Mainstem's business-to-business platform promises improved operational efficiency. By enabling better inventory management and customer access, this move could enhance revenue growth in the long term, supporting a stronger stock performance as the company solidifies its position in the market. In summary, while immediate challenges loom from external factors like tariffs, GNLN's strong leadership, innovative partnerships, and operational enhancements present a balanced outlook that could positively impact stock performance in both the short and long term. Analysts have assigned Greenlane Holdings Class A stock a general strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Greenlane Holdings Class A. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The stock for Greenlane Holdings Inc, Class A, currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of 21.8 cents and 34.5 cents. A breakout above either of these thresholds could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, April 22, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 94.38%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is warranted. Here are some intriguing signals you might find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 51 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 69 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 150 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 146 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Greenlane Holdings, Class A. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the upcoming days. This stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.0088 between its high and low, translating to a change of 63.77%. In the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 22.68%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Greenlane Holdings Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may raise concerns about insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 16th of July, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Greenlane Holdings Class A. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Greenlane Holdings Class A based on various analyst sources, is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 9th of August, 2024, when Sure Barbara conducted an insider purchase of 350 shares of Class A common stock. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there's currently no stop loss in place. Is Greenlane Holdings Class A stock a good buy? Greenlane Holdings Incorporated, Class A presents several negative signals and is within a very wide and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of April, we expect Greenlane Holdings Class A to open higher by 0.0210 of a dollar and start trading at 0.17 of a dollar. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.